Asalam-o-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is about the general equilibrium. This is a model that considers all the market and commodities simultaneously and how they are related. In general equilibrium, the demand and supply for every commodity are equal. So this concept, the general equilibrium theory, was developed by French economist Leon Walls in the late 19th century, and it builds on the idea that a free market price system coordinates resources and activities to become more profitable. So the equilibrium exchange rate, that is the interaction of the supply of a currency and the demand for a currency. So both are interrelated. If the demand of one commodity is changed, the supply automatically change. Like if the price is increased, so the demand of that currency is also changed. As in any market, the foreign exchange market will be in equilibrium when the quantity supply of a currency is equal to the quantity demanded of a currency. If the market has a surplus or a shortage, the exchange rate will adjust until an equilibrium is achieved. There are some factors that demand the demand for a currency that is being exchanged. Similarly, the supply of the currency that is being exchanged, and quantity, the quantity of the currency that is being exchanged. And the last one is the price, some other currency that is being used to buy the currency that is being exchanged. So after all these factors, the general equilibrium. In the diagram that we have on x-axis one currency and on y-axis we have other currency. Let's suppose if there are two countries, Japan and US, if both countries are want to, they are the trade partner, if they want to exchange their currency, so they will keep in mind all the factors that is changes. After that, the equilibrium will automatically develop, which is known as general equilibrium.